It's covered in dirt. Crazy. I'm building the Demibot Botgrinder frame today. Out of scrap pieces, kind of.
You ever build a frame before?
No, this is my first time.
Okay, I will not give you any advice.
Okay.
So let's see how a beginner is doing.
I'll try to remember what was in the video. I actually don't remember anything. Something like these parts, like kind of like this, and then this goes on top. I don't like this. He screwed his in. I got the block, I got this part, put it on top. What screw, bro? What screw? Just some screw, I guess. This isn't... What? Wait a minute, that can't work. Okay, it's supposed to go through and screw on, that's why. As long as this isn't long enough. Might be long enough. It'd be nice if I had all the screws and I wouldn't have to figure out which one goes where. It would be so nice. What about this one? Yeah, this one's tall. Like that. And then like this. Put this on top. Yeah, that's probably good enough. Like here, like this. What the fuck is this? It's not the right one. Okay, 1 out of 4. Yeah, this part is broken, but I'm gonna put this in anyway. Okay. I don't know. I mean, it looks pretty good, I think. There's so much tape on this one. It's so gross. Ew. What did you do with this with this arm? It's covered in dirt. Crazy. I think I'm making the... Every time I put an arm on, the frame gets tighter. And then it gets harder to put in the next arm. I'm the IKEA master. No, just like fix yourself, yes. Like that's really tight, but...
Are they stripped?
Maybe.
Shit.
I mean, it's holding together, but it's...
Then it's fine.
Half of them are tight. I mean, I think it's probably fine. This one wobbles a little bit. Maybe this block will keep it together a little more. Tighten it even more. Can put more screws in, and I think that would be okay. Oh, that one stopped moving so much. So it's still moving. It looks like a flying frog or something. It's like, wee! Yeah. Okay, what's next?
There's shorter standoffs and longer standoffs. You see now you have to take the shorter standoffs in the back.
In the back?
Or the stack screws first for the ESC and
yeah.
flat computer.
Like this one is not long enough. So I'll try it. There's 2 different lengths.
Take the longest.
Yeah, but I have long ones and longer ones. Yeah, I'll do these ones.
Are they going through all the way? Way too short, I think. Way too short.
Screws, if you had them.
Okay. I don't have them, but you figure it out.
And this goes here.
Hmm?
Right here. Right here. Probably. I don't know. I don't remember.
There's shorter standoffs.
Yeah, these the longer ones are here. The shorter ones on this side.
Just has to be the same height and everything is fine.
Not
everything.
Short screws or long screws? Nah, short ones. It's just all the same screws. Do this, and this, and this.
Look left.
And then you put this on top and it's all done. Do you want me to screw it on top? Because you're going to open it anyway.
Good point.
But you don't know where the screws are. You'll have to look for the screws. So if I put them in now and you like take them out later and you'll be like, oh, I have the screws on me because they're right here.
Just do them a little.
Yeah, I won't put them in all the way, but just a little bit. Enough so they don't fall out.
I have to edit all this shit.
There you go. It's all finished. But you need longer screws, but then otherwise, that's it.
Nice.
Do a test. I want to throw it at the wall, see how sturdy it is. Even though it's kind of broken a little bit. Now the frame is finished. Now the frame is finished. Yeah, I think I learned a lot on how to build a frame when I want to go bigger one day. Otherwise, this bad boy's ready for someone else to use. This one I'm still gonna keep flying it until it breaks. Subscribe, yeah.
What?
What?